Chapter 12. The period after the Guptas.
After the decline of the Gupta Empire, some smaller kingdoms arose in North and South India. Among them, the prominent ones were the kingdom of Harsha in the north and that of Chalukya and Pallavas in South India. Harshavardhana ascended the throne in 606 AD and ruled till 647 AD. Harshavardhana is often described as the last greatest Hindu emperor of northern India. We get detailed information about Harsha's reign from the account of Chinese pilgrim Huan Sang, who visited India in the 7th century AD and stayed in the country for about 15 years. His account sheds light on the economic and social life of the period. The political unification of a large part of northern India was his greatest political achievement. During this time, Nalanda was a famous Buddhist university. Harsha built numerous stupas in the name of Buddha. After the death of Harsha in 647 AD, northern India was again thrown into a state of confusion. Chalukyas. In the Deccan, the Chalukyas played an important role for about 2 centuries until 757 AD. They set up their kingdom in western Deccan towards the beginning of the 6th century AD. They established their capital at Vatpi, that is, modern Badami, in the district of Bijapur, which today forms a part of Karnataka. The most powerful and famous Chalukya king was Pulashkin II. He defeated Harsha's army and checked his advance towards the Deccan. Chalukyas developed trade relationship with Iran, Arabia and Southeast Asia. The Chalukyas erected a number of Vishnu and Shiva temples. They also patronized cave paintings. The excellent Ajanta paintings were mostly completed during the Chalukya reign. Pallavas. In the 6th century AD, another powerful dynasty called the Pallavas arose. They controlled both southern Andhra and northern Tamil Nadu. They set up their capital at Kanchi. In the Pallava kingdom, power and responsibility was given to the local people to manage their own affairs and problems. Sabha was an assembly of the Brahmana landowners. Ur was a village assembly of the non-Brahmana landowners. Nagaram was an exclusive association of the merchants. The Pallava kings constructed a number of stone temples of Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. The most famous of them are the 7 Ratha temples found at Mahabalipuram. The Pallavas also constructed the famous Kailashnath temple at Kanchi. The Alvar saints, who were great devotees of Lord Vishnu, popularized the worship of the god. The worship of Shiva was popularized by 7 Ratha temples.